근데 소지단도 바로 다선나다지 참여기 하고 있어요. 용라세.
Yeah, my name is Andrew. Yep.
From?
Yeah, from Singapore. Yep.
Oh, how many people is here in group?
We have 19 people in the group.
Kuzambo. Yeah.
Kasidele.
Yeah, Presidele, namaste.
Namaste.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Yeah.
Arigato.
Arigato. Kanajiwa. Oh, the thing on the try go next hiking. The never dread. Singaporean is too good. We are in the hotel now, reception center, preparing for hiking. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah. You're still here, right? I think still. You ready? Yeah. Hiking.
Yeah.
These are important.
Yeah, still. Yeah. Okay. Your juice ready?
Yes, ready.
Yeah. So today we'll do right. Okay, everyone hand here. Yes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Paro Dzong again. Oh, where we going today?
We're going to Tiger Nest.
Oh, so you are excited?
Yes, very excited.
And how about you? Good. Your good name?
My
Good
what?
name, good name.
Oh, Ishan.
Isha. And your good name?
Hi, I'm Yifang. Been looking forward since 2020.
Oh, your good name?
Fun.
Oh, here the Kiki, right? Yes. Welcome to Paro Dzong base camp. Sashi. Yes. Oh, water. Oh, for all. Good luck. Good luck to Tiger next. And we are here in the Paro resort in the Paro riverfront. And our hiking guide and the assistant, and then here another assistant. Good morning.
Morning. Ni hao.
Ni hao. Salam alaikum. Namaste. Oh, everyone, so exciting, with a beautiful smile from the early morning. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yeah. It's just for the. Yeah.
My record for me that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
你去新加坡啊，它比较重要啊。你看到一半的时候，你要
我得开我全部挤一辆车来这边。
可以了，全部挤一辆车，他们坐在中间。Hello, experience 10 years ago. Today very excited.
Yeah. No need walking, hiking stick. I think. No need. Yeah.
People bring help. Okay, appreciate it.
washroom. Oh, hikers from Singapore, right? Hikers from Singapore. Take the water.
Yeah, one is enough, right?
Yeah, enough. Enough sense. Yeah, there is. Our hiking clubs.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. And our team leader Shifu. Hello. Our hiking team coach. Our coach here, team coach, hiking. Yeah. Yeah.
That one, okay. Our target is it that one?
Yes. No, we will go up and clear. We go up there. You see there horses? Yeah, there's. We just go up.
Free. Everybody's free.镇守镇。
3圈又3圈。
Yeah. Yes.
我有带那个 sticker。
What kidding with you?
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Kusu Sangbo. Yes. Yeah.
Is there a cable car?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. There is a cable car also.
Real cable car.
Yeah.
Yeah, after 2 hours you can see the cable car.
Enjoy the trip.
Okay.
Enjoy the hiking. I'm not hiking.
You're not joining us?
Don't run.
Okay.
Okay. Huh? Can I?
See you upstairs.
Yeah.
Halfway.
5% cross.
Huh?
Oh, I find 5% reach. I told them just. Yeah. Nice. Oh, very beautiful. Click. Your good name? Your name?
Ah, really?
Yes. This way for the horse riders and this for the hiker. So nice. Feel good?
Yeah.
Nature walk after a long journey in the bus. Don't think Singapore, okay?
Singapore, we only climb corporate ladder.
Yeah. 여기 다리 싱가포르 이게 보고 보거든요. 야 야구 작아도다. They are good climber. Yeah, they're good hiker. So far they did well. We are in the halfway for the Paro tracker next, and now this point where buddies can take a photos, videos, clip. Yeah, make video clip. A nice view over here. They're changing the wheels. This is Zambo. Yeah.
I'll do a round, okay?
Drop these. Okay, rest here. 2 minutes rest.
I was in Singapore. I loved it there. It was humid, but I still liked it. It was great. You went
Horse way.
No.
Okay. Okay.
I traveled.
They can rest here for shortly while having a tea, coffee, whatever. And then after that we start our half journey to take next.
90.
Yes, nice view. Huh? Nice view.
Nice
Want a
view.
photo? Oh, hi from the Tiger Necks, on the way to Tiger Necks, and we have friends from Singapore. And how you feel the hiking start point?
Nice.
Good and
Yeah,
nice
and cooling.
scenery. Yes. And then we have how many of your friends here?
19.
19. Oh, all from Singapore, right?
Yes.
Wow, so this the first time in Bhutan?
All except 2.
2x, yeah, okay. So I think all so far we've been to many places, right?
Yes.
So enjoy all.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Very nice artillery.
yeah, and then the best and most exciting sight is today, right?
Yes.
Paro,
Yeah, Paro.
Dzong, the Tiger Necks. Yes, so it might be take 2 hours for our group or more, a little bit.
It's okay.
It's fine
just
because
take our
nice,
time.
nice weather.
Yes.
Yeah, and then beautiful sunshine, and we have many friends who are also joining this trek, right? This
Yes.
hiking. Yeah. Wow, very nice. And you know that today also the Guru Rinpoche day,
Yes.
the day of the Guru Padma Sambhava,
Yeah.
the 10th of Tibetan lunar calendar. is Jeju. So during that time or the day, all the Bhutans, those temple, monastery, they do the ritual practice, especially on this day, 10th of lunar calendar. So it's good for us to visit on this special day, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So today all over the hiking trail will be like this. Comfortable, right?
Yes.
And here the friends from India. Namaste.
Yes.
सब लोग अच्छा, आप लोग कहाँ से हैं?
India.
इंडिया कहाँ से?
Central India,
Central India.
MP,
MP.
MP.
Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
Madhya
Oh,
Pradesh,
wow. And which city?
Indore.
Indore. Oh, I heard, but I stay
Cleanest
in
city
the
of India.
cleanest.
Cleanest avenues.
There is a national level competition between cities.
Okay.
So last 7 years, Indore is coming number 1.
Indore in the Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Madhya Pradesh, MP.
In India.
So I wish to go there. There's any special spot to visit, tourist spot?
Nearby Mando, there is a fort
Oh,
around 100 kilometers from Indore,
okay.
which is called
Maheshwar.
Mando. Then there is one temple
Yeah.
in Ujjain, which is around 60 kilometers.
Oh,
And there is a place called Maheshwar,
Maheshwar.
which is near river Narmada.
Okay.
So these are 2-3 things.
Uh-huh.
And if you are a foodie,
Yeah.
Indore is the place for you.
Oh,
Yeah.
because I travel many places in India, from south to north,
Yes.
Gujarat, west, and then the Bangalore, Mysore, Chennai, Pune, then north in central Delhi, Rajasthan, then north
Oh.
Dharamshala, yeah,
Very good.
all this, and then Lucknow, yeah, because we
Come
keep
to Indore
traveling,
now.
yeah. So India बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है.
Yes, yes.
फिर से हम अभी आज हम साथ एमबी से लोग मिला है, बहुत खुशी हो गया. उन लोग बोल रहा है एमबी इंडोर बहुत साफ
Cleanest city.
या cleanest city है बोल रहा है. So लोग who
Where
are
are you
interested to visit India, so try to visit India.
Yes.
India is a India is a multicultural state and a lot of different ethnic groups and religions, very calm and harmonious. So we love India. Jai Bharat. Yes. Okay. Hello. What's your good name?
Shelly,
Yeah. How you feel today?
I
The
feel very
pilgrimage?
great and
Yeah.
very blessed to be able to make this journey.
Oh. This is your.
My first time here.
Yeah. Okay. Then you feel difficult?
A little in the initial state, but after that was okay.
Oh, so nice. Then you like to wish to visit next time. Also, you did wish, right?
If I have a chance, I'll like to come back again.
Oh, okay. You from?
Singapore.
Oh, right.
你看过来
Your good name?
Mark. Okay.
Oh, how you feel today?
Very happy.
Yeah. To
Very
visit
pure
the-
now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Let's
And then you felt difficult while you hike here?
I feel like
Little bit.
I wish I could do it every day.
Oh. Your good name?
Hi,
Our photographer.
just trying to be a photographer.
President God.
Yeah. Di Paro taksang di na ani gurugi phukpa ani khechimbuchi jedo andi so jidan ta Paro taksang na das chamegi hakosere yonrare ni ta dela neka di kharersna ninji ya mangujige Paro taksang gi kuar cheo mase ya lonye da kuar ma do digi di khandes chungwa da di nangola Kari jiye wata 아니 망부 쪽에 좀제 지겨워 니시라 내가 하고 뭐 제장 다 지단 디르샤 바로 딱산 디 아니 트럽 계획qabla 아니 로벤 베마 중에 콩 아니 바로 딱산 하나 준 아니 공기 단다 접어대라 군점 슉딘데도 아니 콩 대슈네네 치수 다 트럽 쭉딩 qabla니 얘라 쭉베기 라마 오는바데 다 구르기 니바 모트니 아니 지단다 버질람서 된잖아 요로 모트니 아니 데라 사강 상야디 트럽 쭉딩 나라 17th century 때 디나고라 고죽샤 아니 디qabla 다 딘데기 작 토제 서부 다들 간을 하강 컨디션에서는 다 디티고로 안지다 다 디qabla 고나바기 다 백깔레 몽부견에 있어도 또 진리야 키 잡라 키냐니 잡라 키냐니 딘데 자요르샤 아니 다지다 니무 아니 니기다 딘데 샹 아니 아침무 아니 제기야 한데라 샹로치니 다간달 한데기 어딘데기다 나간지 차대샤 아니 다디 디나올라다 텐조 거지에스나 아니 구름무진기 다던다 잡부지 엔디가라 구름무진기 군 가서 꾸다 세상 두배 상내 두배 꾸지지에도 아니 상디 가르드스나 아니 칸로기 아니 피워체 아니 치수 달벽이 선점되어네 아니 고놈의 꾸디 세립 지단 둘라 꾸숨 중샤 아니 꾸직디 단다 바로 딱상체 꾸직디 거기 분나카 된대지제 꾸직디 단다야 사자 심바지 강한을 제였습니다 아직 봄당라 중샤 아니 다른다 조 꾸딘 디제 안디나로라 가사 구루 도지 질불라 파 넘버 등교기 안디네 꾸야부지에도 지단기다 바로 따서 하마게 와는 제와나 차간자다 도지 저부 공기 꾸니 시레 집어지에도 어디 단어 디네면 마게 와는 야부지에서 어딘데서 다디 드랍 줍딩기 하강체 아니 다디 단다 죽라 다디 뱃거라 년자 전부 차야다 아니 뭐 빠르게 다벤델라 지난번 찍으면 봐다 유고도 좀 먹고 배고다 직지단기 다들라 라마 먹고 샤르자와 제랍당 안디는 신기다 유고 이 먹고지기 되와라 팸니 직다 죽이 윤종 마세베 안디 직슝 된줄라 안군저기 다도다 시도다 근데 롭존 진행인데 이거 뭐 폐기 있어라 대산 펩신 버리셔 근데 딱상디 바로 딱상까지 되는데 저지 안지단기 잘 나물라야 랑주 망부지에도 안들 나물라 단다 도지 방목이 오기 랑주나 근데 지에도 자세 제장 딸 바로 딱상들라 라마 망부 죽도 망부 준비기니 개발지직 차대와샤 근데 저디 부르무지기네래 어디로 Your good name?
Yeah, my name is Andrew. Yep.
From?
Yeah, from Singapore. Yep.
Oh, how many people is here in group?
We have 19 people in the
wow.
group. Yes.
Yeah, so you feel good?
Yeah, we feel good. I feel
Today is
blessed.
the 10th
10. Yeah,
day,
it's a
right?
group in project day. Yes.
Yeah, and then also our itinerary is the 10th.
Yeah, it's the 10th. Yeah.
So you feel good for whole trips here?
Yeah, we feel good. Yeah, we feel
And then
blessed.
today is the most exciting
Correct.
day of the visit this holy place.
Correct,
Yeah,
yes.
so you feel joy.
Yeah,
and
we feel everything. We cleanse the body, all cleanse, mind cleanse. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So you didn't feel any difficulties while you climb
yeah.
up? No?
Nope.
Yeah, because you are so excited to reach here, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so you willing to come here again next time?
Yes, come again.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Nice,
You love
yes.
the Bhutan?
Yes.
Yeah,
We
Bhutan.
love Bhutan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.